And now let's welcome Ed Ullmann to our news show. He's going to give us a wellness report.
Good morning. My name is Ed Ullmann, and I'm going to be doing the wellness report on CatskillsAir. Today, I first want to take a moment to introduce myself. I have lived in the Catskills now for 50 years, the same home in Mount Trimper on a trout stream. And I've been involved in healthcare in many different arenas. Currently, I am the pharmacy manager up in our wellness center in Tannersville, New York, and I'm also the CEO of Wellness RX. But my journey in healthcare has brought me, I was the county mental health director in Ulster County. I was a county legislator in Ulster County. And I had the privilege of learning about the early HMO industry. And I was very honored to be a National HMO Fellow at Georgetown Medical School. Came back and we founded the first HMO in the Hudson Valley. It was called WellCare. And it became very big, and our big claim to fame was we were the first to introduce benefits to the poor, to the Medicaid population. I did that for 16 years. I then moved into an international arena, learning about natural medicine, and we set up the first HMO in Mexico. And I've had other projects all over to try to learn about the healthcare system. 10 years ago, I decided to go back to retail pharmacy. I thought it was a underperforming profession, and that maybe I could take some of the skills that I've learned and bring it in to develop a new model for this country. We have been extremely happy with our success in Tannersville. We are a teaching facility. I'm an adjunct professor of Albany College of Pharmacy, and I also serve on the President's Advisory Council. So we incorporated that into our model. I took my mental health experience, and we have mental health counseling embedded into the model. We have natural medicine that blends with traditional pharmacy. We have an at-home care program. So what we're trying to see is what are the needs in our communities, the communities that are now been having so many people migrate from the urban areas, have a much more civility of life and grassroots effort. And knowing that we can make a difference in our small communities if we work together in partnership with our governments, partnership with our healthcare providers, partnership with nonprofit foundations, we can do it. Now, where that led to was by me taking my background in many areas and loving where I live and loving what I do, of helping serve people, to be of service to them. And we then said, how can we best level this playing field? The healthcare arena is getting worse and worse. We all know about the shortages of primary care, and why don't we make a difference? So we introduced the first community nonprofit pharmacy in America. Bold? Yes. We had to get the IRS to agree, and we got our tax exempt status. We had to get the Board of Pharmacy to agree. And we have gone down the line, and we then created in Phoenicia. We took the old Key Bank that was dormant for 4 or 5 years, and we created a beautiful wellness center and under the title of Pharmacy for the Public Good. And it also was dedicated to my wife, who I lost to pancreatic cancer in 30 days earlier in the year. So it's a very meaningful assignment. And now we are moving forward to say, if we take the principles of what we're doing is for the public good, and we then turn around and take that and allow the community to help shape wellness centers for them and what works and what doesn't work, we can do greatness. And that is exactly what it is we are going to do throughout the Catskills. let me just thank you for allowing me to introduce myself and our exciting model of developing nonprofit community pharmacies. We are working to get capital to make scale and to bring this to more of our communities. We need your help. We need your support. We can all do this together. And I look forward to further episodes with you on the Wellness Report.
Thanks, Ed. Ed and his pharmacy team are hosting a Community Health and Wellness Day on Friday, December 8th at Wellness RX Pharmacy for the Public Good in Phoenicia. Everyone is invited to meet them and ask their health questions and get their flu and COVID vaccines.